He left home chasing a dream. He returned to build one. Welcome to episode 1 of Impact Assessment. Meet Jaite, a migrant returnee who returned home to the Gambia to refine his painting and trading skills.
Ndelemu Ansumana Jaite Mbasteri Mfarato Sainte.
Sanje Jele Soto.
I'm 27 years now.
From the risks of Backway to rebuilding with his own hands, this is the story of choosing home over regret. So stay till the end. It might change how you see second chances. So ite mo Gambian dingoti?
Yes, mo Gambian dingoti kay.
Okay. So ye nyang Backway silota?
Yeah, nga Backway silo nyintale.
When?
26th of September 2003.
2003. So when did you return back to the Gambia?
I returned back April. I forgot the date exactly. 27th April, I think.
Okay. Yeah. So muna tinaye nyang silota?
Okay. Kujamal bije mini alon ko gos wata mon dolbe Gambia ja nga nyina foko ko Gambia bo kala yare ne youth solman do ko soro jando ka kudo soro pour ka fon la hajol ke aka ka problem mo so ngaja fana ka funyo malun do ko mal jamata tan im Backway silo la mini alon ko say alhamdulillah dol soksita sainteng ibe kujama ke kala family kono sainteng so wayen to fana motivate ngaji be ko kon Gambia man ka solution odi maybe moy ta tubabu du wala solution odi pour ka ku keno fayela life kono
o to nyalem so ye nying ila family support ya soto janingeta
yes janin kata na family ya kalam dale so nga family support soro ya way ma koy silo kan bata dol be je comme ko di wala bata set labon laban na do Facebook ko di wala bata at starting ko di wala bata man nan soro je comme silo la bata wala en soro je ba ko di wala bata man nan soro je
okay ko do manti problem ti baring silo problem jamal be je
silo kan de problem be je nta be fono la yes because nin sari mi mono birin Gambia la bodato kata fu Tunisia problemo ba bel yeah because nga problemo kabirinta ba start la nga start Gambia la bodato yeah so ndata fu Tunisia still there's problemo be fu Tunisia for mursana Gambia again no man not a free problem kono yeah no kulungo jola pour ka cross I think 3 times yeah but first crossing birenga ko do nyi jo ko do nyi maw kles kala so kira akoro so ko do nyi tata nyamo kono ko do nyi tinyata dal yeah so the second boat ntara wala so police ole mura je kono yen samba Algeria la desarodo so the third boat bo fana plan kanne so police ole tinyaro siara so after another third boat nyam fana forma so man nata yeah
okay so ye samba desatoto pour mum
ya comme mo Tunisien la style oldi comme ni mu tay ka fo ne muna ne naate la banko kan so ni mu tele je kono e bugala fi amur ne la banko kan ko rege so the only thing gamenge e kal dunde bosol kono ya samba fo close to Algeria ya aljindi desaro kono je buka fali ale murna Tunisia badi ba fulane ko aleta Algeria kana murna Tunisia pour mo même Tunisia kono je pour que fintindi je to kata banku do kan instead of murna Tunisia so wala ne ke samba ka fo alta Algeria mo kana murna Tunisia. Yeah.
How were you rescued from the desert?
Okay, desert o kono akole yata jele. Yeah, desert o kono la kole yalbe mbebe je to ndol be fono la mo yisi je. Yeah, but me survive the jeto. Si mala mwete, no? Because mul kata jele, dol ka fa jele, dol ka fili jele, ika dol muta silo kan kote ke ye sorong. So mul bi kere vera about long. Because desero kono one team bi jeto. Ni dala desero kono. Ni ke samba jeto. Ite equipment to lebul me alonko. Ite be fo muna fanno la walla. Pour que murnan durato wala pour que ta sari do ke fam bondi no wo desero kono nyame because ne mobile funo lem e be mobile funo mutale bulle nin domoro lem e be domoro fana mutale bulle so nothing remains me alan ko e ba tule bulo mu le den ka kilimo be wala ni la kurto kilimo ani la samaro e be no dambal bulala so ni no bula desero kono damente alan ko e location etana na montage for your first time ita rajedo pour itata jeeto ye location o bondi faye jeeto awo kala yala ye so mo jamal kanyin difficulty le face jeeto so katina dol karra desero kono ka fili so ni filte ka time moment spend desero kono jio tebulu domoro tebulu so they end up e ka fale dol ka fajele ya dol ka loki jem ini moye benje mi alon ko ba yara yara la wulo kono jeeto ay rescue je ye mol dol ka kana je dol fana be je min yalan ko e ki hakilo use because ika tamay singol e bita dawda ram ko mi ka moto la takara dula wala bita mole ya fay ko la fakara ni dula karle no dawda e bita je fon la ba be fay not le fay yes dawda e bita je il faut la hakkilo e bolo yusla yetaje and ibitaje singol la a jam fata nyaonya because ni samba de sato kono then ni sati to sati it's a very long distance a distance o jam fata le sometimes dol kata 20 km dol kata 30 km dol kata 40 km so e katara ta mo kan sometimes like 2 or 3 days imon sati soro damen to yalon ko be je soro la jeto ibe domoro soto la jeto ya wasifal ladula the same thing ladula ni so kure ma dawda be la jeto banko to lawo nyamo kono lawo mune bije o be la jeto yeah.
How many dead bodies did you find on the way? How many people died in your presence?
No, comme the phone exactly momon fande because nteni nte billion tol samboje nteni tripo men tata momon fa wala kono yeah comme solo kili ntol fona tripo mom fa because ntol for rescue de sa ro kono le comme ça fo damante yalon ko saying no option we give up on life comme ba jibe kan sa o kay sa yala tutaje saying so suddenly mona rafindina nga rescue soro membulu nga je soro membulu bo comme ndafo personally ndafo nyala mona manam fante nyala comme bir nga silo ni commencer mona manam fa nyala de but mbije tay mo mel na nga dead body jamal la announcement o moy je because nga post de la soro la damentol yalan ko ni tata jedo iba itan de la ko nyum mo nangam karu fara de soro kono le nyum mo nangam karu filtale police wala ni mo nangam kar mu day sorong so wasifal wal jamal lek de but personally nda fo nyala mo na man fanta fo nyala but nte fo kanata faale jele in the first place nte fo because I was rescued because nte ba laari nembe comme alberta kan almalo kata damendo tilo ba kandire damanti alon ko yirti jeto iba fo la damento nin tilo albata ndal bita jale e fo nyande jeto wotije so obviously be tara la den tilo kono jere so beri jio banta do morti je so energy tije pour kata ko tege so relaxed. So what relaxed lato, we have no hope coming home bobola jail alive coming bobola jail no coming o time was singo buka tamo keno because G table energy table so eta tamo no loti lokono. So we were lying down. Yeah, ambelari fo wularo. So nara moto tiyo dol je men yalan ko essence dealer lel muyti 4 desert kono ka bor desert kono. So luckily wallel nara mo delar mo dulato after ye more support geology do mor dantan di mo lejer. Yeah, so biring mo do morol ming biring nga geo ming nga do moro nyen dum after nara strange soro. So wolu ngo fo manta ko so tamu madam to batake to tamu. So ngalla no do moro ke ngo geo ming ngalla for the following day after nara inara silo itande molla ko ni silo kata en sare carte. Yeah, so nara struggle wal nyama ka findi je ko take ko sate no ma ko take. Yes, waro wolu ngo fo ngo ladi sado ko na jele again. Yeah.
So yung bagwe slow kang follow mo betala abe dung tubabu do easily for one day.
Yes.
But in Sainteng, is it safe to say out of every 100, maybe only 5 will make it to Europe?
Comme right now bagwe silo ba nyame. Comme ndol ka fo nyame ko atinyaatal. Yes, to be honest, bagwe silo ba nyame sa amon safe pour mo yela life risks. Kataje maybe ni sa jibe no ye solution do jibe mi yalan ko safe for ma ko no je. It's better than yela life risks. Ko kara bagwe silo la. Because bagwe silo sa ba because mo kara ni sula banko la. So sula ba nyame saying obviously mom bala fasoro mo fi ngoy again. Tunisia ma masi soro mo fi ngoy ko take. Weda musola muyti weda dindi wala muyti weda kiba ko la muyti weda funding kela muyti, they don't care. Ebe men kelele ba kelela mol be men fole ba fole ba rotat ne to le men kelele ta kelele. Tunisia every day kole akol be jele every day, not come like biya be jele samate je. Every day is a continuous thing. Media dol beje ni ol jibe the problem o post de Tunisia me ango migrant ba face kanje. Yeah, so anu jere chance pour ka cross je to sign is very limited. Adoya batale sign pour ka cross je because ka rasir in Tunisia for 2 months migrant on Tunisia si abata. So never see in Tunisia pour ka chance to cross you got to see in jail for sometimes 2 months 3 months jani ba mu le ko kulun kilim fo boda Tunisia dunda Italy o kulun kilim oni is sometimes is less than 50 people, sometimes it's 50 people, sometimes it's less than 50 people. So nabo nyamo come in 3 months, every 3 months, every 2 months, every 1 month kulun kilim kulun fulaka dun o time onu kulun jama ka dun. Yeah, what I'm on is slow fenkarin kulun jama ka dun barbirin kol tinyata control siata. Yeah, kulun wal sayra dun is very rare. And ni bi sirin jeta fana Sainteng e better relief kane. Tunisian over down the same pour ye bank do ko fonke la banko ka is a problem. Yeah. Because ye la sate kono sike wala Tunisia no han wulo kono kana migrant no majere isa sate kono ta no go area itita jio kono itita sate kono wulo kono fana problem. So everywhere is problem. Yeah, adi better relief kanje. So imagine ni to mantra ite relief kan lot e mantra do ko ke ganda mendo e be lief no la nyaade la fo la mo le tra ko men ya lon ko be tra ka ko do seni so ko do ni bolu ka wala. So imagine comme Gambia bo ko le yaren ko di soro ko le yare je. So ite be sirin je to 1 year 2 year 3 year ite be ko do ko mo ka ko do seni de na and every time e kan need ka do moro ke sometimes e ke la life risks le do moro dol fon bu je fon ni wol jibe ko ba do mala e kal na ko yeah jannen bakuweti nga do rek nga energy soto se survive no nyame jio men fana ka min je disim because Tunisia everything is money ibe kula jio men na is money ibe jio men min na is money ibe tabiro kala jio men na is money yeah ika nyum busu bungol mel lo ika dokol men sang everything is money. Yes, so I call it pour que stage to science kudo la side fana. Yeah, a lot of things many be je many alonko my ground will wa face kan Tunisia bo call it je ba kala science. Yes.
So ni nga ñinin ka kudo yemu ne spend ñing slow kan asikeno ya hayma.
Okay, kudo ndananga mo fono le exactly nga kudo men spend silo nyinka but comme ça fono ko mi reka siata le ndafo ma hapola yeah malon kudo nanga mo men nga spend yedo bari to be honest kudo yin siata is like 300 to 400,000 yes because ni be ta kan dulado ibe kudo jola kata jero ela pocket money it can make kiena like every month, every week. It can count. Kela kulungo jo kodo menna. Sometimes eka kulungo fon jo kodo fon la fon. Kulungo fon bu kata dollar. Ela kodo betina. Yeah. Sometimes ni muta jokono. Yes, somebody desaroro. When you are returning back, ni kana nan koteke. It's either dry food, it's either sula dry food buje many along ko yal sikana yal samana. So no yal sikana wal yal samana wal fana bital dila molle many along ko. Wal fana wal charge la kudol la ko sula la moto paso wala mnyindi. So wo fana they charge you a lot of money. Yeah. Some will charge you 45,000. Some will charge you 35,000. Some will charge you 30,000. Yeah, and for ya jo.
So ñing kudo put 45,000 ya sort of from Gambia jang yes you receive it in Tunisia. How do you go about this process?
Okay, kudo fana la said kodi kiye nang nyala comme je fana nga agento le soto je men yalan ko e kanyum local money transfer ki je like Wave, Orange Money, yeah, wasifal. So comme ni te mo soto je men yalan ko ite nyanda ka kudo joya is ida mari bota Côte d'Ivoire wala bota Sierra Leone wala bota Cameroon ne abal Orange Money number dile la from Cameroon. Yes, so alo Orange Money number ni ite bo Orange Money number kile la molie so to bita Orange Money ya fo Orange Money tiele ko la fa nyin ko do kila nyin number carte so to ba kila through account o bataro bulu Cameroon, Guinea Conakry o Burkina Faso wasifal so ite ba ko do nyin kila walto no ya a confirm ko do nyin fotata account o nyin tolle so bina iba fengala wa balo no walto ko kariya la ko do jole so ngla jenga money transaction o keten.
So when did you decide to hand over yourself to IOM to be brought back to the Gambia?
Okay, because mbejele again Tunisia la National Guard na Kamporo. There was a time in na Kamporo. Sunkar Salo boka Sunkar Salo 3 days before Sunkar Salo. Ndolba Kampo mento kilometer 24 in Arajero ko my ground only malafo my granite receiving surrounding inna before e kanale ka mulla Kampo tinya ka jandi yata but this time brinada e ko e mantra e malafo mo receiving wo surrounding inna so ngaji be ko nindol botani surrounding inna ja sa mi da min doldo sa ngadi sa ko mi da nga kafu my grand dolma but nata jibe ko min ko every time police o kana alwuli jang every time sulal kana alwuli jang so ni ba wulla dawo dato you have struggle bi jele because in bagaso min be sabatiro laro inu bagaso be move lale so go bagaso move from distance to distance is difficult every time is happening sula la problème buka bang ketara siren sula fon la place oro watu wadi problem ayne police oro fayne nyokan. So it's not easy. So biri na re ko mole bonde surrounding nyindo ngaji ben ko ni nde ben banko kan aketa nyawnya ni ben banko kan at least mbe peace of mind soro at least mbe lanu la ngasino at least mbe do mor kendo soro no la at least ndam funding kelde ni nga do ko nte mecho be mbulle ni nga do ko nyinge nse ko do soro na kono le. So janim be tara sirin Tunisia na tamu bo tara wes kanje police wala problem bu ka bang. So nga decide on the 9 April nga decide pour kata register IOM la office. Yes, registered on the 9th of April 2005.
2005?
Yes. 2025, yes.
9 April 2025.
Yes, 9 April 2025.
So, ye nata Gambia at what time? Which year?
Okay, bere registered in a month time in a multi somewhere hotel or we spend like 2 weeks there. So after 2 weeks your flight board mole come someone in Gambia. That was 27 of April, 27 of
May.
yes 27 of May 2025. Yes, we take off there at 1 o'clock and we reach in Gambia around 7 yes.
7 p.m.
Yes, 7 p.m. Yes.
So, sa mune mo ila mechoti?
I was doing painting before I got to Bagwe. Yes, I was doing painting. And I was supporting my uncle in a business too. This container business. Yes, I was doing business also. When I have contract on painting, I go and have my contracts too.
Okay. So sign ye business karang jang IOM lo supporto aning nedi for one day.
Yes, pero nata Gambia through IOM la support. Okay, inata for mulia ko ibe mul support la in business. Business mi alon ko do fo be fanna fala jeto pour kana bagwe law hakilo soto kata bagwe koteke. So with the help of needy IOM support kanjel. So with the help of needy sign them bo karang la je needy be more support ka wala to have experience in business, to have knowledge in business, so that when we are given a business to do, we know how to run it and make it a successful one.
So sign thing ye business si file after ke?
Okay, business or sign then la faka menke because ndam penda manolti. So nimbela faka business okay mbo joron lel wafile men yalon ko nga faham roke la side. So penta mano mbela faka business okay pentru bagasol lel. Yes, pentru bagasol.
So ibe pentur bagaso wafe at the same time ibe pentin service provide.
Yes, mbe business so tamandela at the same time nga contract fana so mbida na doko fana.
So ye bitigol soto pour ila penturo iba wafe nyameng?
No, mom bitiko soto follow pour ka penturo ni wafe je. So me karaw process wala kono follow. So maybe nin karaw ni banta sinaji be bitiko fana soto la nyaadile nim bitiko start soto ta we could start our business. Yes.
So just for estimation ni ngeen business start sanji killing isa jele doko noje kodo.
Okay, with the help of needy ngan londo men soto jeto ya fomule nyame ni nga ko nyama ntele expectation auto before 1 year I can make a lot of money out of business. Yes,
Inshallah.
yes, I have that hope. Yes.
So momi ya lonko abe jang Gambia dingo among school o banta fo sign jahalaguñ school amon baring fanang alafta jing silota o momi ya lonko abe doko Gambia jang abe kudos demanding soto aning fanang family support pour yenying silota ye advice mune soto pour nying
okay ntol be mu fondinke lelti Gambia adu before ndekata baguye nde bukalla moy mula advice la comme ka foko ha baguye silo koleata wala baguye silo mom betea to be honest pour que Gambia fondinke advice comme kanata baguye koleata le is really difficult, yeah, because ikamoje ya advice aka foko nte hanatra be fala jere mbitale hanatra ikamul muneka mulla jende bitale. So yeah, our concept sifa mumbulu pour ya stop from going to Bagwe, it's gonna be difficult. But come it's an advice or sort of maybe some can model say advice or tanole. Yeah, model beje ta talaba model beje ba talal. Yes, so advice mean te wa fono la funding kile sande. Wala ko Bagwe silo tonya ko leyatal. Adun tiñar jamala ka sabu jeto sayente Bagwe silo be nyame ko leyatal say dula jama tiñata abe nu nyame ani sabe nyame fatata bakela. So comme ni même fana yalon ko be Gambe jando mecho be bu wala ka do monde soto jeto, please ni se advice ni no wala se londo ni no wala se da dula to se advice soto no mo bul damento comme yibe la ibe damento sayente iba yurwandi no la nyaadi le ye finti ye mol nyini to laal bi je men yalan ko se ma ko no ye support ni se support fana soto no durado ita ye support fana nyini ba mol bu ke support ni ma je comme ko nyim abe sobe yala kan wala pareta sobe yala. So ni bes ite be famo ne ibe serious rena pour ka ke ni support ni mol be support soto la. So ni support soto atra ye support soto fen kan ni la kan ye ni la bagu ndol nga ni la bagu kanne ibe ni la bagu kan nyame ye support soto damando pour ka tra jeto ni la ko do fanato ni la je ba mikla ni dunia daw da ni la je ke ba mikla. Yeah, but bagu le risks ani business or risks is too different. Business or risks is a bueno le ye support soto ko tege ya commence ko tege bagu le risks ni fata je you are gone forever. Yeah, ni multa tanyo men yalan ko dol fata je dol filta je dol be chandin je mul mela wera botlum for many years. So imantara jang jamantara wokang adu funding kele muite your time is going imantara kat muru dindi yaro you plan to have your own family ila faka dingol soto ila faka musol soto ila faka kuke life kono. So obviously ni be sirin dula daminto yalla ko imantara fenna je bata damba kono je pour ya make no dula ka dingo soto ka muso soto je aw ko yalal. So ni arta komin ko be kole yakono dawo data yalan ko isa katano yemburna be freedom o soto damanto e sije ye ni laaje yela ko wolke je wa mekla ara bado dunia dawo data be jere wa mekla ni o believe soto rek. Yeah, don nga mistake ko do mba fula nga mistake ko mitle but we learn a lot nga jamala faran karan dunia la ko kono you know. Yeah, nga ku jamala karan yes iko ni mo mistake go made e buka karan so ni mistake go made fana e karan na. Yes, still Gambia jamol sa make no janne. Yes.
Okay, Baraka, thank you for the interview. Inshallah, I wish you good luck with your new business venture that you are going into. And I know inshallah as a business developer, we want to take the opportunity in the future to come and see your business and also showcase your business to the people to actually show them that this is possible in the Gambia. We can make it in the Gambia, and inshallah, I know you are going to be one of our exemplary entrepreneurs that came through the back way and now making a change in the Gambia. And this is our mission. This is what we want from the Gambian youth, to stay back home and invest into business, become entrepreneurs, solve our social problems, and make the money that we spend outside. Gambia, we import a lot of products. Gambia, we depend on, I don't want to say foreigners, but they dominate our market. They are all part of us. They are all part of Africa. They are part of the world. But we need to take part as well as Gambians so that we can be providing the services and the products that we need on a daily basis to support ourselves, to live our lives. So thank you so much for this interview. I wish you all the best of luck. And what do you have as a final word?
Okay. My final word by Clementi is about the school men memol karandeka about business or science. They are really professional. Sini and Fatmata. Yes, we thank you too. Yes, for the support, for the encouragement, for the classes. Ngalonko, when you follow what you guys taught us, we're gonna make it someday. Yes, and it's not gonna take a very long time. Yeah, Allah Karandro is perfect.
And you are right, inshallah. We know we are going to be very successful in a very short time, given the amount of effort and training materials we use in this training menu. We have been doing this for a very long time, and I know we have recorded a lot of success. Successful entrepreneurs have been made through this program. So I think we thank NEDI, we thank IOM, we thank the EU system for this support, for supporting our youth, because this is really needed to tackle irregular migration. So thank you so much.
Okay, one thing I want to say about the IOM. They are really doing a great job. Yes. Helping migrants from the situation they were in, bringing them back to their home, providing for them to have a successful life back. It's really a great thing. Ku kende bale mu me alonko ayo yambake kan. Yes. Ibe youth sol ma koy kan dula bela. Imagine you born in Tunisia, you are not paying anything. You eat, you sleep, you don't pay anything. You came to Gambia, they still have to support you. Yes, so they are really doing a great thing. Yes, we will thank them very much. Yes. Alama alira doko yuruwayen. Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, viewers, this is what we had for you.
He is proving that support doesn't have to come from abroad. If his story hits you, like, comment, and subscribe to Impact Assessment for more Gambian stories.